And just like that, we're back, baby. Ladies and gentlemen, welcome back to the channel and welcome back to the vlog. Check this out. One of you guys can win a 2022 911 GT3 with Omaze, link below. Now, if you guys saw the last video, the Ferrari 430 challenge is back, and there's a chance we might own her again. So we're trying to get Supercar driven to 100,000 subscribers. As of right now, this exact moment, he's at 80K. There's a chance in today's video, he might make it. We're back. Now, yesterday when we took delivery of the Ferrari, there was an actual snow typhoon. Fast forward 24 hours later, it's 58 degrees, sunny, not a cloud in the sky, Utah, February. Now, yesterday we didn't get proper use of the Ferrari, and so today, boys, today, never doubt, full send. When I owned this car a year ago, I was a lot younger and a lot more spry. So we're gonna flip this on, ignition on, cold startup. Come on, baby. There we go. Let's go. This has to be one of the funnier sequences in the vlog. So that house right there is having an open house. There's like a realtor walking around, all these like prospective buyers walking around. They drive Teslas as well. And then we go by in the Ferrari. So yeah, welcome to the neighborhood. This acceleration right here is for that Tesla. Wait for it. It sounds so good. It's so good. That's right, baby. That's right. Buy a Ferrari, not a Tesla, a Ferrari. It's good. Bro, you're right. You're right. What is that? It's a cooler. Oh, that's a nice cooler. We can pick that up. Take that. Yes. Yes. Oh. This is how you wake up, boys. This is how you wake up. A little Italian in the early mornings here in Utah. Look at that, it's an underpass. You see, there's a very specific technique, almost a rhythm to it, if you will. Oh, I love this car. How you doing, big boy? Real good. He's sweating like crazy. Luke has serious PTSD in cars like this. The NASCAR, you guys remember the NASCAR? We went, but I saved it. Hi. We're going to Chick-fil-A.
Well, like, why do you have a racing car?
This is my daily driver.
I love that.
That guy's loving it. That's right, baby. That's right, Cinder. Oh, bro, cradle like a baby. You're a dad. You know how to cradle.
Red light.
Oh, red light. Downshift. It would appear we have another unsuspecting Tesla. I don't know why that's so funny. I don't know why. All right, what are we doing? Where are we going? Well, we got Chick-fil-A. What more could you need in life? I realized I feel really queasy and I forgot to put my headphones on. I just love listening to the sound of Ferrari. I think we're probably getting carbon dioxide poisoning as well. A lot of exhaust fumes going on, but it's too good. Oh, yeah. Right there is a police officer, so we're gonna chill. Good call. You just saved me. Wow. Should I send it? You want me to send it? Yeah, he can't hear me. He can't hear me. It's so loud. This car is so loud. Oh, it gets so much attention. Come on, baby. Come on, come on. Is that cop gone? That cop's gone. Yeah. That cop's gone. Oh, no! No, ignition. No. Oh, I'm fine. I just stalled it. Come on, baby. Come on. Oh. No. Come on. Okay. We're fine. We're just gonna... There we go. Okay, we're good. That's for the guy who hopped behind me, okay? I stalled my Ferrari race car twice. I don't know why I stalled, but I'd like to apologize to the good patrons of the beautiful state of Utah for dealing with my nonsense, but we arrived to home sweet home. I don't know quite how to describe the feelings I'm going through right now. I'm very queasy. I think that might be from the exhaust leak or from the migraine from the exhaust noise, but on that bombshell, today's video has been sponsored by Omaze. Now, I partnered up with Omaze because you guys have the chance to win a brand new 2022 Porsche 911 GT3. Omaze has some of the craziest, coolest giveaways, but I think this GT3, this might be the coolest one they've done yet because the spec on this car is incredible. It's finished in shark blue. It has every single carbon fiber accessory imaginable, carbon fiber roof, carbon fiber back seats, and the new GT3, the new generation, the 992, 17 seconds faster on the Nürburgring touring than the predecessor, packing 500 horsepower. It's got that 4-liter flat 6. I think if I won this car, first place it's gotta be a racetrack, right? I mean, you guys know, Porsches are the best engineered cars in the world. Or maybe I just bring it back to Utah and hang out with the homies. Now, when you enter this giveaway with Omaze, not only do you have a chance to win a Porsche 911 GT3, you also support an incredible cause, the Dempsey Center. Now, the Dempsey Center helps support those affected by cancer, their loved ones, as well as their care providers, and they provide the support and these services at no cost to the client. Guys, if you want to enter for your chance to win a Porsche 911 GT3 while also supporting an incredible cause, check out the link below to omaze.com/Stradman. That is omaze.com/Stradman. Whoa, you're driving, bro. They just hit 90,000. Supercar driven just hit 90,000, and you're daily driving this thing. You might as well get used to it.
What if I crash it before they get to 100,000? Is that bad?
That's pretty bad because it's not our car yet until we hit 100,000. Ready, Captain? Dude, this is your future. It's a we're fine. He's just loud.
Just rev it up pretty high.
He's just like hitting the apexes immediately. Dude, this is a looking glass into your future. You have to daily drive this. Guys, if you did not see the last video, Luke has to daily drive his car. And if we actually end up getting it, Katie's gonna love this. Hudson, Luke's son is gonna love this thing. It sounds crazy. I think the funniest part about riding with Luke is he always gets scared. Oh, no! Bro! That's alright, I did it earlier too. They're making fun of you! They're making fun of him! Oh, I'm sorry, dude. There you go. Alright. Oh my gosh! Hold on! Wow! The funny thing about Luke, he gets so scared as a passenger, but as a driver, he's a madman. He's wild. He's absolutely wild. This guy. Wow, it is unsafe for him to daily drive his car. Oh no! He just stalled it again. He stalled it again. I don't know how to quite say this. The Ferrari needs some work because we're not doing anything wrong. Oh my goodness. Look who it is. That's Steffi. Stefan. Bro. Stefan. Whoa. Easy. It's rear wheel drive. Here we go. And it's not going. I was expecting, did you break it? I broke it. Potentiometer. Yeah. We lost the potentiometer. Yeah. Wait, is it really? Yeah. Well, like I said, the car needs a lot of love. That car's broken. It's not fair. It's not fair. It's broken, bro. It's broken. Oh, we send it. That's full gas. Full throttle. That's it. That's all we got. Brighten up. That is foot to the floor right there. The potentiometer strikes again. Go! That's what you let us foot to the floor. See you in Africa, bro. That color looks so good. Looks so good. I don't want to put the pressure on Luke, but just note, there's about 50 cars behind us right now, and you're definitely gonna stall it. The car has some major mechanical issues. Off camera, there was this one point where it was just like revving up to like 6,000 RPMs with no throttle input whatsoever. So I don't know exactly what's happening with the car, but she needs some tender loving care. Oh, here we go. Come on. Easy. Oh. Wait, did you brake it even more? Oh, okay, so no foot on the brake or the gas, and it's revving up. Oh, wait. Oh, where are we back? We're back, baby. We're back, baby. Okay, we're good. This is such a bad impression for my new neighbors as we're driving the factory Ferrari race car through the neighborhood. They're gonna hate it when I move in. They're like, what do you do? Quick downshift maybe for the new neighbors?
You like it?
And again. Bro, do you have to excessively downshift?
Yes.
My poor neighbor. No. We brought some cool cars to the house. We've never brought a factory race car. So also there's no e-brake. Put it in here.
Watch this. You ready? Neutral.
Dude, it's fine.
It's not doing it.
I know.
What the heck?
Yeah. The irony is unreal right now. We don't even own this car. We haven't even hit 100,000 subscribers. Luke is supposed to be daily driving this car. The first time he drives it, when he doesn't even own it, he's already broken it.
Maybe I'm not a Ferrari guy. I'm a Porsche.
You're definitely, no. Luke Terry is a Ferrari guy. Ferrari, fettuccine, alfredo, pasta, parmigiano, italiano. Welcome to the house. You guys saw the title thumbnail to today's video. This has been a long, arduous process. We have been talking about this fabled car on the wall scenario for so long, and I realized a lot of you guys have doubted me. There's been a lot of doubters. Luke has been doubting. He's been questioning. He's asked me so many times. He's like, are you really sure you want to put a Supercar on the wall? I'm like, absolutely, absolutely we do. Well, we have figured out what car we're going to put on the wall, and I don't know how to say this profoundly or politely, but Luke may or may not have just broken it. Now, I've been trying to rack my brain, trying to figure out what car do we put on the wall. I came this close to buying a Ford GT40 and somebody else bought it, unfortunately. There was a crashed Lamborghini Murcielago that, unfortunately, the bidding got too expensive, but there's been this other car that's been just like placed on my doorstep. The perfect car, like it's a race car. It's already lightweight. It may or may not need engine work now. So honestly, I think the Ferrari 430 Challenge, it's so sick from every single angle. It's the perfect car. It really is. It's the perfect car. So the tentative plan is to place the Ferrari directly above that steel beam, front of the car on this side, back over there, and just like plaster it up against the wall. Imagine in the future you're chilling on the couch and there's a factory Ferrari race car just sitting above you. We have to pull the motor, we got to pull the trans to save weight, and so I'm thinking, you got like this little display zone right here, you put the engine right there, it'd be sick. This really is the perfect car because from every single angle, it looks so aggressive. It has the factory wide body kits, it has this crazy vented carbon fiber hood, it's got the carbon fiber wing, it's slammed to the ground as well, like the stance is perfect. It just looks, I mean, there's no more better car than a Ferrari factory race car. The real question, the $1,000,000 question, do we leave it as is with this paint scheme? We could paint it like traditional Ferrari red, or it's just an idea, it's a good idea, it's a really good idea. What if, for example, we painted it purple with white wheels? Oh, easy there, big fella. Potentiometer! It's back, baby! It's back! He fixed it! I keep saying this over and over and over again. Luke looks good in a Ferrari. Forget it. Ear protection is good. That sounds incredible. Lots of times when I'm having conversations with people, I can't understand what they're saying. Now I know why. It's because of this, and it's because of that NASCAR. These cars are so incredibly loud, but it comes with the territory. We have to. I think we figured it out. The 430 Challenge is definitely the car for the wall. It looks so incredible. It weighs in at around 2,700 pounds. Once we drop the motor, the trans, we got to be at about like, what, 1,700 pounds. It's perfect. That being said, I don't actually own the car quite yet. Chris is almost to 100,000 subscribers. Guys, if you have not subscribed to Supercar Driven quite yet, there's a link to his channel in the description below. Also, if you guys want to win that 911 GT3 with Omaze, check out the link below, omaze.com/stradman. But today's video is over. We're not gonna say anything for 5 seconds, just listen to this car. I think it's falling apart. Oh, is it doing it? It's just choosing gears on its own.